Hey there, if you're running into a message not sent error with your iPhone's text messages, don't worry, I've got some easy solutions for you. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes to get your messages back on track. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Check iMessage settings and enable Send as SMS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap Messages. Make sure that iMessage is turned on. If it's already on, toggle it off and then back on. Next, tap Send and Receive. Ensure your iMessage is activated with your phone number or Apple ID. Go back to the previous menu, scroll down and find the Send as SMS option and make sure it's turned on. Solution 2. Enable background app data. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap General. Next, scroll down and tap Background App Refresh. After that, tap on Background App Refresh. From this setting, make sure to select both cellular data and Wi-Fi. I hope these tips help you out. If you found out this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or need more help, drop them in the comments below. I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.